a step-by-step guide to eliminating maggots.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle a very common and quite disturbing problem, maggots. Specifically, we're going to look at how to get rid of them once they've appeared in your environment. Remember, it's essential to act quickly because these little creatures can turn into flies and spread diseases.
What are maggots?
Before we dive into how to get rid of maggots, let's first understand what they are. Maggots are the larval stage of flies. They are attracted to rotting organic material where they lay their eggs. So, if you're dealing with a maggot infestation, there's a good chance you have some decaying matter nearby.
How to find the source?
The first step in eliminating maggots is to find their source. Look for areas in your home or yard where organic material may be rotting. This could be a garbage bin, pet food, compost pile, or even a dead animal.
How to get rid of maggots?
Once you've found the source, it's time to get rid of the maggots. There are several methods you can employ. 1. Boiling water. Pour boiling water onto the maggots. Be careful to not harm yourself or damage your property with the hot water. 2. Vinegar and water solution. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water. Pour this solution onto the maggots. Vinegar is a natural insecticide that can help you get rid of them. 3. Insecticide sprays. These are commercially available products designed to kill insects, including maggots. Make sure to use them as directed by the manufacturer.
How to prevent future infestations?
Prevention is better than cure. To prevent future infestations, ensure that your garbage bins are sealed and regularly emptied, do not leave pet food outside, and maintain good hygiene around your home. In conclusion, getting rid of maggots requires identifying the source, eliminating the maggots, and then taking steps to prevent future infestations. It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, you can restore your environment to its maggot-free state. We hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.